everyone. This video is gonna be relatively short. I just decided to upgrade cameras. I decided to get a new high-def camcorder since the video I made yesterday was pretty bad, and high-def in that was awful. But I decided to upgrade to the Toshiba Camileo H30. This new camera will take 10 megapixel still shot pictures, HD, full HD, 1080p camcorder is what this is, with 5x optical zoom. You can't read. Has a LCD display of 3 inches. Has HDMI. And a touch panel display. This is pretty blurry because this camera that I'm using isn't that high quality. But in a few minutes I will show you the Camileo H30. Okay, I'm gonna open it up now. You all might be wondering why the box is like this. It's because I had to rip it, because there's no easy way around getting this thing open. Okay, let's see what we got. We have a remote control. The camera itself is here. Let's see what's underneath. Oh, and I also got this square pad thing. See what's underneath here. Got CD, warranty thing, more paper, quick start guide. This might come in handy. Little carrying case thing. Charging cord. A cleaning cloth. USB cord. An HDMI cord cable thing. And RCA cord cable. Another plastic thing, I don't know what this. And yeah, that's it. Here it is. It's good. HD, 5x optical zoom, touch screen, 10 megapixel camera, takes SD cards, and it's YouTube ready. Toshiba. See what it looks like flipped open. Well, the next thing to do is to this is the plank skill. The next thing to do, I think, would be to power it on, to power this on, and to test it out. Oh, before I forget, I also got this Sony 8 gig memory card, so I have enough memory now for about 2 hours of filming with this new camera. Hello everyone, this is the 1080p resolution on my new digital Camileo H30 camcorder. Looks a lot better than the other shitty Vividar, right? Anyway, I'm gonna go show you some outside. I'm gonna go outside, show you what the resolution looks like in daylight. This is a sunny day in Edgewater. Just testing the zoom. Wow, that's so much better than my other camera. Nice clarity. Let me go see if we got some there. Yep. this camera is so much nicer than that old Vivitar I got. This hunk of crap was my Vivitar. Wah! Ah! Ah! This would have just thrown it off. Moving like this would have literally made my other camera skip. But as you can see,